Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite side dishes, which is this chickpea rice. And I've served it up here with my air fryer fried chicken. The link to both recipes will be in the description box below. Now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is add some oil to a pot over medium heat. I'm going to saute onion, thyme, and pepper. I'm going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until the onions begin to soften. Next, I'm going to add my green seasoning, and this is a combination of herbs and garlic and hot pepper. I have thyme, scallion, and a few other things in there. I'm going to link the video right above, so be sure to head on over and check that out. Green seasoning is a staple in Caribbean cooking, and a lot of Caribbean households tend to have this on hand. Now, it varies from household because everybody has their own different combination of herbs that they like. Some people add ginger, some add thyme, basil, scallion. It's totally customizable, and no two are the same. Now that that's cooked for about a minute or so, I'm going to add coconut milk, chicken bouillon, water, and chickpeas, and let this come to a boil. I like to boil the chickpeas for just a few minutes, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes, just so it softens a bit before adding the rice. I'm using canned chickpeas just to save on time, but you can use dry chickpeas as well. I'm linking a video above here to show you how to prepare dried chickpeas. I've added some ground black pepper, and I'm going to give it a good stir. Now, if you feel that you may need more salt, then you can add here. I find that the chicken bouillon that I use had enough salt. I get this question a lot about what brand of long grain white rice that I use, and honestly you guys, I don't have a specific brand. Any long grain white rice is what I use. Now I'm going to cover this, turn the heat all the way down to low, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, just until all of the liquid is absorbed and the rice is nice and tender. Now it's done. All of the chickpeas have floated to the top, but not a problem. We're just going to use a fork to fluff it and to stir everything together. And that's pretty much it. It could not be easier, and this is a great side dish. Now I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. The link to this recipe and to my air fryer fried chicken will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Until next time.